You've arrived at your destination.
Cubo de Bernardo. Si Leonardo. Wala bang kubo ni Gervasio dyan? Kubo de Gervasio. Dito tayo sa kubo de Bernardo. Yeah. That's a swimming pool? Oh yes, it's a swimming pool. Maya maya. Don't be excited.
What's up? What's up? My cup. My cup. Rianet over blessing me. Okay. Alright. Oh! Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Yeah, see? Happy birthday, Daddy!
Oops! What are you doing?
Special dinner. Spaghetti. Ay, spaghetti. Ayan ang tamo.
Ayan handa ko. Pizza. Oh!
Broccoli, mahal yan.
Big broccoli ah.
Mahal yan. Broccoli.
Tapos yung isa. Yan po ang kubo namin. Kubo-kubuhan.
Check out the house.
Alright!
Alright. Vegetable. Butter vegetable.
Butter vegetable. Where's Jaja? Okay, let's go for the lamb steak. Steak. Let's go for the steak.
Right. Alright. What's that? Oh, a steak. Thank you sa sponsor. Hugasan mo muna kaya. Bago mo siya i-season. Tutong na yung luto mo. Kamukha mo na. Baluga. Oo. Pinalawang ko.
Oh.
Buhatin mo yung plato. out na. Perfect.
Ha?
Sabihin mo birthday mo. Ito naman eh, birthday mo.
Let's go, Momo! Let's go! Mamaya nga! Nagluluto pa tayo. Dito ka lang. But is it raining in Manila? Hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Can I taste? Can you slice a bit for me? Half of that. Half lang. Half lang.
Ang hap-hap.
Half lang dong. Nice. Perfect with vegetables. Alright. Yeah. Yes? Yeah, wait ka lang. Oh. Red wine, good for the heart. Yes, Monique. Nox.
Ay, ganun pa? Ganun ka pa?
With this?
Thank you.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Blow, kahit walang ano. Mahangin kasi. Cheers! Cheers! Salamat sa sponsor ng aming wine. Red wine, good for the heart.
Ang sarap niya.
Salamat sa sponsor ng hotdog. At ng lamb steak.
Steak and vegetable.
Vegetable.
And anong tawag dito sa ginawa natin?
Chuchuri! Chuchuri! Mini chuchuri!
With what do you call this?
Happy birthday!
Yung mga inaano natin ng mga mayayaman. May cheese,
Medyo mayaman lang tayo.
wrappers,
Wrappers. Pretzel. Nuts.
not
Pero 47 ka na talaga. Diba, Muning? Happy birthday, Muning! Let's eat! Bon appetit!
kahit mo, kahit kunti. Ang ulam doon ay sari-sari.
Malamig pa po.
Ha?
Malamig pa po.
Malamig? Ba't ako hindi ako nilalamig?
Kaya ulit ako mag-swimming.
Siswimming ka pa? May ilaw.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Kanta isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy. Wish.
balloon.
47 balloon.
Open the balloon.
One by one.
Napakarami naman. Too much balloon. Pero hindi naman nalata kung ano nakasulat.
Parang gender reveal lang ako. And pink and blue. Happy birthday!
Too much balloon.
What's that? I love you. Wow! Sheena!
Wait!
There's more. There's more. Show me. Present for daddy. Wow! So sweet naman ng daddy. Oh, mommy! Good job!
Really?
Oh, takip. Wow! May panggas na si daddy. Pambili ng ano yun, anak? Pambili ng? Pambili ng? Ano sabi niyo?
Oo, maluto.
Pambili ng ano ni daddy yan?
Parang baliktad na ngayon ah.
Eh? Pambili ng ano niya yan? Ramo? Oh, kulang ha?
Thank you.
Pambili ng ano niya yan, kamo? Happy birthday, baby boy. Ganda naman. So what can you say?
I'm so delighted. Thank you, Bobo.
Good job, Doc. Good job. Okay.
Love you. Love you, Jesus. Early morning. Breakfast is ready. Oh, may pa-breakfast mo. Diba? At yung isa, 8 o'clock in the morning, nasa swimming pool. Ang lamig-lamig. Pero wala sa kanya yun. Bobo, psst, kakain na. Ay, nandito tayo mamaya eh.
Goodbye.